Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Toyota 86, stock number 6220. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2021. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,